Welcome to this lesson on simple present short answers. In English, when someone asks you a yes or no question, you don't always need to give a long answer. Instead, you can give a short answer using auxiliary verbs like do or does. For example, if someone asks, "Do you like coffee?" you can simply say, "Yes, I do," or "No, I don't." This lesson will teach you how to form these short answers correctly. To understand short answers, we first need to know how questions are formed. In English, questions with do and does follow a specific pattern. The auxiliary verb comes first, followed by the subject, and then the main verb. For example, do you like coffee? Here, do comes first, you is the subject, and like is the main verb. Similarly, does he study English? Starts with does, then he, then study. Notice that we use does for third-person singular like he, she, or it. This pattern is important because your short answer will use the same auxiliary verb from the question. Now let's look at how to give affirmative short answers, which means saying yes. When someone asks, "Do you like pizza?" you answer, "Yes, I do." When asked, "Does he study English?" the answer is yes, he does. Notice that in the short answer, you use the same subject pronoun that refers back to the question. You keep the auxiliary verb do or does, but you never repeat the main verb. So instead of saying, "Yes, I do like pizza," you simply say, "Yes, I do." The same rule applies for all pronouns. Do they play sports? Receives the answer, "Yes, they do." And does she work here? Gets, "Yes, she does." Now let's learn negative short answers, which means saying no. When someone asks, "Do you like pizza?" you answer, "No, I don't." The don't is a contraction of do not. When asked, "Does he study English?" you say, "No, he doesn't," which is short for does not. Again, you use the same subject and auxiliary verb as in the question. With other pronouns, the pattern remains the same. Do they play sports? Gets the answer, "No, they don't." And does she work here? Gets, "No, she doesn't." Remember, in negative short answers, you use do not or does not in their contracted forms. Don't and doesn't. Subject-verb agreement is crucial when forming short answers. Let me explain the pattern for each subject pronoun. For I, you use do. For you also use do. For he, she, or it, you use does in affirmative sentences. For we and they, you use do. In short answers, the affirmative form is yes followed by the pronoun and do or does. The negative form is no followed by the pronoun and don't or doesn't. Pay attention to which pronouns use do and which use does. The rule is simple. Only third-person singular pronouns like he, she, and it use does. All other pronouns use do. This same rule applies in both positive and negative short answers. Let's look at common mistakes that beginners make. First mistake, saying yes, I does. This is wrong because I should always use do, never does. The correct answer is yes, I do. Second mistake, saying no, he don't. This is wrong because he is third-person singular and needs does. The correct answer is no, he doesn't. Third mistake, saying yes, you does. Remember, you always uses do, not does. The correct answer is yes, you do. Fourth mistake, saying no, we doesn't. We is plural, so it uses do, not does. The correct answer is no, we don't. Remember the golden rule, only he, she, and it use does. Everyone else uses do. Let's see how short answers work in a real conversation. Alex asks Sarah, "Do you like coffee?" Sarah answers, "Yes, I do. I drink it every morning." Notice how Sarah gives a short answer first, then adds extra information if she wants. Next, Alex asks, "Does he work on weekends?" Sarah replies, "No, he doesn't. He rests on weekends." Again, she gives the short answer first. In real conversations, short answers are very common and natural. They show that you understand the question and provide a quick response. You can add more details after the short answer if you want, but the short answer itself is sufficient to answer the question. Let me summarize the key points of this lesson. First, use do for I, you, we, and they. Second, use does only for he, she, and it. Third, always answer with the same auxiliary verb from the question. If the question uses do, your answer uses do. If it uses does, your answer uses does. Fourth and most importantly, never use full verbs in short answers. Only use the auxiliary verbs do, does, don't, or doesn't. Don't say, "Yes, I do like it." Instead, say, "Yes, I do." Practice these patterns regularly, and soon forming short answers will become natural for you. Congratulations on completing this lesson on simple, present short answers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.